Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share screen during video call on WhatsApp. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your WhatsApp. So once your WhatsApp is open, you simply need to open any conversation. So once you open conversation, you simply need to click on this video call icon and click on call. And let me attend a video call from another smartphone that I have. Okay, so now it is, let me mute the call. Okay, so now you can see a video call is active, and here you need to click on this icon and click on start now. And now as you can see that you are sharing your smartphone screen with another person that is with you on the call. So this is the simple process by which you can share screen during video call on WhatsApp. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.